You're watching the Daily Market Comment by Rafi Boyajan. I'm Maria Pachardis. Thanks for joining us at XM.com. Market sentiment was boosted on Monday after U.S. President Donald Trump signaled an interim trade deal was close. In a further encouraging sign that the trade talks are making significant headway, the U.S. said it is considering whether to extend the tariff suspension on $34 billion of Chinese imports, which are due to expire in December. The optimism lifted Wall Street overnight, pushing the S&P 500 to a record close as investors shrugged off soft earnings results so far for the third quarter. But while there have been few spectacular earnings announcements, neither has there been evidence that the trade war is making a huge dent on company profits, easing market fears. British Prime Minister Boris Johnson lost a key vote in Parliament on Monday as MPs rejected his call for a snap general election. Johnson will attempt again to get an early election later today, but this time he will put forward a bill that requires a simple majority, making it easier to pass. If successful, this would mean the withdrawal agreement, which MPs approved to begin its reading in Parliament last week, would be put on hold until after a general election, and lawmakers could again be facing a tight timetable in January to get the deal through before the new Brexit deadline of January 31st. In other currencies, the US dollar was slightly firmer against a basket of its main rivals. The main focus this week will be on the Federal Reserve decision on Wednesday and the US jobs report on Friday. The Fed is widely expected to cut rates for the third time this year as it attempts to cushion the economy from the prolonged trade frictions. But with the US and China nearing an interim agreement and a US recession not looking very likely, policymakers may decide to pause before cutting again. The Bank of Canada and the Bank of Japan will also be announcing their policy decisions over the next 48 hours. This was today's Daily Market Comment. Thanks for watching at XM.com.